Okay, Miss Ramirez, can you do multitasking?
Yes, sir. I can do multitasking po.
Be, pwede daw ba pasabay patapos to?
Nakikita mo naman, di ba? Ang dami ko pang ginagawa, oh. Ikaw dito, palit tayo.
And are you willing to learn new things?
Yes. Willing to learn po. Very willing to learn.
Be, sabi ni boss, pag-aralan mo daw to, tapos gawin mo na.
Ay, hindi. Hindi part ng trabaho ko yan. Hindi part ng sahod ko yan. Layo mo sa akin yan.
Can you work under pressure?
Yes, sir. I can definitely work under pressure. Teka lang! Teka lang! Teka lang! Pwede isa-isa lang? Hello, ano ba? Isa ka pa?
And are you willing to work overtime?
Yes po. Very willing to work overtime.